That one was a little, but it was good.
So you could pause. You could pause. 3.
That one felt weird.
Bring this ear to the shoulder. Yeah. Now push up against my hand and then back to the right. Good. And up.